Imagine waking up one morning to find your financial worries melting away, replaced by an effortless flow of abundance into your life. What if I told you that the secret to this transformation lies in placing a simple item under your pillow? Yes, you heard that right. This technique isn't just a random trick. It's rooted in ancient practices and backed by the powerful connection between your subconscious mind and the energy of money. In this video, we're diving deep into how this method works, what to place under your pillow, and why this seemingly small act could have a profound impact on your life. Stay with us till the end because we'll also reveal the key to making this technique work faster and more effectively, ensuring you're aligned with the flow of abundance. Welcome to Imaginative Realities. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of your mind and manifest the life you've always dreamed of, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our journey. Let's get started. Money is not just a physical object, it is energy, constantly flowing and shifting. To attract it into your life, you must align your thoughts and emotions with abundance. This means believing, feeling, and acting as though the wealth you desire is already yours. When your inner state matches the energy of abundance, you create a powerful magnetic force that draws financial opportunities to you. Physical actions, like placing a meaningful item under your pillow, play a significant role in this process. This act is a way of anchoring your intentions. It strengthens your focus and serves as a constant reminder of the abundance you are calling into your life. Every time you perform this small ritual, you are telling your mind that you are serious about attracting money, reinforcing your belief in your ability to manifest it. What makes this practice so effective is that it works on both psychological and energetic levels. It's not about magic or superstition, but about deliberately aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When your mind and energy are focused, you naturally begin to notice opportunities, ideas, and paths that lead you toward financial growth. This simple practice of combining intent with action bridges the gap between your desires and your reality. Selecting the right item to place under your pillow is an essential part of this practice. Each choice carries its own energy and purpose, but the key is to pick something that resonates with your intention. For many, a written affirmation or note works wonders. Write down your financial goal in the present tense, as if it has already happened. For example, I am so grateful to have received $10,000 effortlessly. This note becomes a direct message to your subconscious, reminding it of the reality you want to create. Another powerful option is a symbolic object. A small coin represents wealth and prosperity, making it a natural choice. Similarly, a crystal like citrine or pyrite is often associated with abundance and can amplify your intention. These objects hold a special significance, and their presence under your pillow serves as a physical anchor for your thoughts and emotions. If you're inspired by Neville Goddard's teachings, you might write out a vivid scene describing your financial success as if it has already happened. For example, imagine yourself receiving the exact amount of money you desire and feeling the emotions of gratitude and excitement. Place this written scene under your pillow and let it guide your imagination as you fall asleep. These items work because they help you focus your mind. Each time you see or think about the object, your intention is reinforced. It's not the item itself that creates change, but the mental and emotional energy it represents. By connecting your thoughts and actions, you're giving your subconscious a clear and consistent signal about the abundance you are ready to receive. Performing this technique is simple but requires focus and intention. Begin by writing down your financial goal or affirmation. Make sure it's in the present tense, as though your desire has already come true. For instance, you might write, "I am so happy and grateful for receiving $1,000 effortlessly." This statement isn't just words, it's a declaration of belief that your desire is already on its way to you. Once your note is ready, place it or another symbolic item, like a coin or crystal, under your pillow. This physical act is more than just a gesture, it serves as a reminder of the wealth you're calling into your life. It keeps your focus sharp and your intentions clear, even as you sleep. As you lay down, close your eyes and begin to visualize your financial goal as if it's already been achieved. See yourself receiving the money, holding it in your hands, or watching it appear in your bank account. Feel the emotions that come with this experience: joy, gratitude, relief. The stronger and more vivid these feelings are, the more effectively they impress your subconscious mind. While you're immersed in this feeling, allow yourself to drift into sleep. Falling asleep in a state of gratitude and certainty is a crucial part of the process. Your subconscious continues to process these powerful thoughts and emotions throughout the night, working to align your reality with the vision you've created. The act of combining physical, emotional, and mental energy makes this technique a powerful tool for manifesting financial abundance. The subconscious mind is most receptive during the moments before and during sleep. At this time, your conscious mind quiets down, and the subconscious becomes open to impressions and suggestions. This is why what you think and feel right before you sleep has such a profound impact on your reality. By placing an item under your pillow, you're creating a nightly ritual that sends a powerful message to your subconscious. It reinforces your belief in financial abundance and keeps your focus on your goals. This act is more than symbolic, it's a way of directing your energy and attention. The item under your pillow becomes a physical anchor for your intentions, reminding your mind of what you want to manifest. Each night, as you repeat the process, you strengthen the connection between your desire and the belief that it's already on its way. This practice aligns perfectly with Neville Goddard's teachings, where he emphasizes that imagination creates reality. When you imagine your goal vividly and feel the emotions as if it's already achieved, your subconscious begins to bring that vision into your life. Placing the item under your pillow also acts as a signal to the universe. It's a way of showing unwavering trust in your ability to create your reality. The universe responds to this clarity and confidence by presenting opportunities and circumstances that align with your intentions. This process combines the power of imagination, emotion, and belief, making it a simple yet transformative tool for manifesting wealth and abundance. There are countless stories of individuals who have transformed their financial lives by using simple manifestation techniques like this one. Imagine someone struggling to pay their bills, feeling stuck and overwhelmed by their circumstances. They decided to give this method a try, writing down their financial goal, something as small as receiving $500, and placing it under their pillow. Each night, they visualized receiving the money, feeling the joy and relief of their burden being lifted. Within weeks, unexpected opportunities began to appear. A friend recommended them for a part-time job that fit perfectly into their schedule. A delayed payment they had forgotten about suddenly arrived. Little by little, the money they had envisioned came into their life. This wasn't luck or coincidence, it was the result of focus, belief, and consistent effort to align their thoughts and emotions with abundance. This consistency and belief are at the heart of this practice. It's not about doing it once and waiting for results, it's about making it a nightly ritual and trusting the process. When you commit to this method with faith and persistence, you create a ripple effect that transforms not just your finances, but your entire outlook on life. Each small success builds your confidence, strengthening your ability to attract even greater abundance. Your mind is the ultimate tool for creating abundance. By focusing your thoughts and aligning your energy, you can attract the financial freedom you deserve. Try this simple yet powerful technique tonight and watch how opportunities begin to flow into your life in ways you never expected. If you've tried similar methods or have your own manifestation success stories, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Your experience might inspire someone else to take the first step toward their dreams. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Imaginative Realities for more powerful techniques to unlock the life you desire. Together, let's create a reality filled with abundance and possibilities. See you in the next video.